Yeah.
Do you care if I make a little pile and keep looking around?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. Right on. Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. Got the $1 car and the $3 sander.
And a mold.
Oh, thank you.
And a mold.
It did work,
too.
so
I'm sure it's probably
not
fine.
gonna-
Awesome,
have
thank you.
fun with it.
Say thank you.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. A dog.
And the flower stickers again, I do have a bottom, I do have a bottom piece of the flower sticker. And that is the original piece.
Can you stand right here for a second? Stand right there.
What is that, man?
Well, he has paint on it.
Hello. Beautiful.
What? $1? Okay. How about these little pins?
Like $5 a piece for those, because I
$5.
know I spent 20 something on them.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pay you for this stuff real quick.
See,
There's
$1.
and then this was all off the 10-cent table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
$2.
There you go.
Thank you
Thank you very much.
You guys have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Good morning. How's it going? Careful.
Not normal, not normal. This is the band for the
Oh, okay. Awesome.
I'm not put the batteries in them, but I know they do work.
Okay. Sounds good. They are fun.
You want to say
Oh, sure.
Where's it?
Oh, okay.
They don't cut through.
Maybe.
That's right. Yeah, they're
Okay.
slide. Yeah, there's. Oh, did you want
No,
that?
no.
Oh, okay.
It's just that right there. And there's 3 for you. Thank you.
right.
Go and
Thank
keep the
you.
quarter. Thanks. You ever seen one of those, sir? Coulter's fabric calculator.
No.
I might be interested in that. Food saver. Let's see. What do we got, sissy? What do we got? There's a music stand, Sarah. There's a music stand. It says tools and truck for sale, and it's a Matco truck. Oh, I was just kind of looking here. So, oh, okay. Gotcha. Well, thanks for letting me look. I appreciate it, buddy. Good luck on it.
Thanks.
We got little boys. Look at that doggy, Dada.
He's cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
They bark too much.
Hi.
She has ears
Yeah,
too.
be careful.
We rescued her and she barks like crazy.
Got $5 and $1. Oh, that's cute.
$6.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Your bag?
Oh, no, we're parked right there. Thank you. All right, buddy, you ready?
Bye.
Thank you.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
I don't have the remote.
Oh, that's okay. I will take that.
How are you?
Can you say hi?
Oh, I like those shoes.
You happen to have change for a 10?
Like those. I don't even know what I have on it.
$5,
I
yeah.
got change.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna grab a little igloo too.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Have a good day. Me too.
Do you care if I make a little pile and keep looking around?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
It all will need to be sanitized, and there is a sanitizer. No, that's just an air blower. That's just what you blow on the eyelashes, like after the Friday.
There was $1.25 there.
How much are the shoes?
The men's shoes are $10 a pair.
Okay.
The women's tennis shoes and heels are $1, and the sandals and flip flops I think are $25.
Okay. I'm going to add that.
Okay.
There's two Blu-ray players out there. They're the same thing, but only one has a remote control. Is that
Yes,
right? Okay.
right.
Would you take 8 for both of them?
Sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll grab those on the way out.
All right. 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24.
24.
Altogether. Do you want any of this in a bag?
Do you have one handy?
Yeah.
That'd be great. 24.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You too.
All right, guys, so we are back from the garage sales. It was kind of one of those days where you go along and you don't necessarily think you're doing that great of a job, and then once you see everything together, you realize it's not that bad of a day at all. So I'm going to quickly show you what we picked up to resell. But first, real quick, I just saw that we hit 5,000 subscribers on this channel, so I want to say thank you. That is awesome, that is exciting, and I really, really appreciate that. But anyway, we hit 6 different garage sales. The first one, we picked up a sander for personal use for Sarah, but we also got this little Tyco RC Viper car with the remote here. It's about a $35 item. We ended up getting it for free. He had it marked at $1, but he wasn't sure if it worked or not, so I think Elliot might have claimed this, but if we were to sell it, about 35 bucks. Sale number 2 wasn't great either. We did pick up this John Purdue Club hat. It's a vintage made in the USA hat. Paid $1 for it. There's currently one listed for 30 bucks plus shipping. Purdue isn't far from here since we're in Indiana, so pretty cool. They had at that same sale a 10-cent table, so I just grabbed a bunch of stuff. Most of it's junk, but one thing in here kind of surprises me. Got this Coke cooler for 10 cents, not bad. There are some Gentleman Jack coasters, an oil filter. Like I said, a lot of this is just junk. MLB 14, The Show for PS4, not really worth anything. A couple vacuum belts, a hacky sack that says How to Survive Anything Club. I thought it was kind of cool because it was a square hacky sack. Here is an 1892 German Fenning. There are some comms on this, still probably not great. And the thing that is the most interesting, keep in mind I spent $2 total at this sale, $1 on the hat and $1 for all this stuff here. But there's these 2 old boxes of ball bearings made by General Bearing Company. There's 23 total. There's 10 in one box and 13 in the other. And I think I'm seeing listed comps for 10 bucks per ball bearing. So that's not bad at all, because that's a potential 20 cents into about 230 bucks plus shipping. It's going to be a long tail item though. It might take forever to sell them all. But they basically just look like this inside. And I assume they're all brand new because the bags are still sealed. So pretty cool. At the third sale, we picked up a few things. Just a couple bread and butter items, a couple catchphrase games. There's the irregular electronic catchphrase, and there's the music edition catchphrase. I usually throw these on Amazon for 20 bucks or something, paid $1 a piece for them. There's a brand new Fitbit Ulta band, I guess, an accessory band, 25 cents. I just bought it because it was new and it was a brand name, but I mean, that might be like a $10 item, so nothing crazy. There was this Emperor Steel knife set here. I've seen these in thrift stores before, and I've looked them up, and they're usually not worth picking up because they're usually marked around 20 bucks at my thrift stores. This one was priced at 2 bucks though, so I went ahead and grabbed it because I think you can kind of part these out and get a little more money that way. So not huge scores, but I paid $2.75 total at that sale, so definitely gonna make a little profit there. The fourth sale was right across the street. Number 3, 4, and 5 were all across the street from each other, so that was easy. But they had this little Ziploc vacuum sealer here for $1, so I picked that up. Probably not worth a ton. We may just use it, I don't know, but it was $1. This was probably the coolest thing there. This was kind of an unexpected home run. I've bought calculators before from this company called Calculated Industries, but I've never seen a quilter's fabric calc. It was $5, which seems a little high. It's super clean, it works. eBay, the prices are kind of all over the place, but Amazon, I think the lowest used price is around 70 something dollars, which may be a little crazy, but the rank isn't too bad and it has good reviews. So I may just list this on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled for 40 or 50 bucks and see if I can score that way. Pretty cool little find. Definitely keep an eye out for these Calculated Industries calculator. I usually see like construction ones, but this is a quilter's calculator. Pretty cool. At the last sale on that street, sale number 5, they had this 22-inch Vizio flat screen TV, no remote, but it was only $5. And whenever you see a TV this new and in this good a shape, no matter what size it is, no matter whether it has a remote or not, probably a good idea to pick it up when it's that cheap. If we don't end up putting it in a kid's room, then it's a good little Facebook Marketplace flip for 25, 30, 35 bucks. At the same sale was this little Igloo little Playmate cooler for $2. Super clean. It's not a vintage one or anything. You can see the date code right there. But I have passed by these before in videos and people tell me that they usually pick them up. So it was $2. It was clean. I picked it up. So thank you guys for that pointer. Last sale was probably the best sale of the day. Got some pretty great stuff there. Got one thing to keep, just this little My Heat heater for $1. We work in a garage. It gets cold out here in the wintertime. Doesn't hurt to have a little heater sitting around for our desks. There is a brand new sealed youth compression shorts for $1. Probably not worth a ton. Same with this One Touch Vera IQ. I don't really know about selling this these blood glucose monitoring systems, but this was new. It was $1. On Amazon they're like 70 bucks, but of course I can't sell it there because the box is kind of chewed up. Another little bread and butter item, a Medela double breast pump. It was $2. It has the power supply, but I sell them with or without the power supply. I usually list them for between 35 and 45 bucks, and they sell that day. No accessories, used, motor only. They also had an Xbox One Connect sensor bar for $10, which is kind of paying up a little bit, but I usually get about 50 for these, and they're quick and easy sells, so I'll definitely pay 10 bucks for an Xbox One Connect sensor bar. StarTech is a brand I always look out for. This is an older device. It's a USB 2.0 mobile docking station. It was $2, but since it was StarTech, I bought it. Looks like probably 25, 30 bucks on that. Just keep an eye out for that StarTech brand. If it's cheap enough, just buy it, because I always have awesome luck with StarTech. The last thing I got there were these two Samsung curved Blu-ray players. They wanted 5 a piece for them, offered $8 for both because only one had a remote, but this is a very good model to sell. I think it's because it's region free, but used with the remote, it sells for upwards of like $100 or more used, 80, 90, 100, 110, somewhere in there, so that's very cool. Even without a remote, you can get about 50 bucks. So definitely a good score. I may just end up ordering another remote for 10 bucks and trying to get 100 out of both of them. But that's what I got for you this time, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.